Types of videos. Types of maps. Large scale map or small scale map. The art of making maps is very old. Claudius Ptolemy, the famous Roman geographer, drew the map of the world in 150 CE. Use of maps is as old as the birth of man, said Ptolemy. Ptolemy produced the first bound collections of maps. The discovery of new lands and sea routes depicted through maps has helped in the development of the science of making maps. This science is called cartography. In order to understand a map, one has to study map language. Learning the map language is called map reading. The art of map reading involves written translation of the various symbols, shading, coloring, etc. into actual mountains, settlements under study. Map reading also includes reading between the lines or drawing conclusions, which we call interpretation of map. Importance of maps. Today maps have become indispensable to geography as a telescope is to astronomy or a microscope is to biology. The ability to read and use maps is essential for everyone in modern times.
Maps are an essential part of the modern communication. It is a useful tool not only for geographers but also to citizens worldwide. Maps have been used by explorers, reference personnel, city architects, planners, weather forecasters, motorists, traders, tourists, scouts, and guides. Maps are also useful for students to gain knowledge of the world. Nowadays, maps are being used for GIS through computers. The other substitutes of maps are satellite images and aerial photographs, which may help in visualization, but they cannot replace the maps which are based on actual surveys. Disadvantages of maps. Maps, though drawn on scale due to projections, become narrow near the poles. Hence, they show a distorted picture of continents and countries sometimes. Since a map is a two-dimensional representation of the Earth's surface, it shows only a part of the globe on a flat surface. Difference between sketch and plan and map. A sketch is different from a map. It is a just rough drawing. It is not drawn as a per scale. It is used to give an idea of the location with the help of drawing arrows to show directions.